You are going to love the 2015 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, aluminum wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.